Good morning. This is Mike with TekDMC. We wanted to create a few short videos highlighting our online sales solution that provides manufacturers and dealers with an almost immediate internet sales tool. We've taken the online sales platform created by Allmoxy and married it seamlessly with a manufacturer's cabinet vision, allowing the end user to design and code their storage solution the way they want it. We've taken the engineer and designer off of the payroll and have enabled the consumer to do all of that work for themselves. Over the past 3 years, we have spent thousands of hours working to perfect and streamline this software and process that provides a bridge from the consumer or dealer directly to the manufacturer. It allows a customer to order their specific storage solution whenever and wherever they find convenient. In this day and age of government-mandated shutdowns and social distancing, it is increasingly important to close virtual sales. TekDMC's online solution does just that. Let's take our first look at how this is accomplished. As I mentioned, we took the online sales platform Allmoxy built and we engineered and coded an extensive library of over 600 products, and we're just getting started. Each of our products have hundreds of lines of code and formula that allow for immediate pricing, weight calculations for shipping, and will export directly to cabinet vision and out to CNC machinery. With over 60 combined years in the cabinet industry, we have taken all of our experience and are offering it here for everyone's benefit. Here you can see a typical Allmoxy ordering screen. Within Allmoxy and inside the TekDMC catalog, the owner of the site can toggle on and off anything they want. They can hide any category, any product within category, or any attributes within a product that they don't want their customer to see or control. Speaking of attributes, as a designer, the ability to set up standards for the entire job are found under the shortcut preset bar. Here the customer can choose what information will be applied to all of the products added after the presets are chosen. Once again, not all of this information needs to be seen. That is up to every individual site owner. Here you can see the 9 different construction methods that we have engineered every product to export into cabinet vision. Here you can see the different toe types, and notice that there is no option for no toe because that's a notch toe where the toe height is set to no toe and the toe recess is set to 0. In presets you can control the drawer box types for the order. The drawer guides and the material of those drawer boxes are all inside the same attribute. Same with rollouts. You can set the top drawer front height for the entire order. If you have scribes and you want your door to be taller than your cabinet box on your walls, you can choose that here. If you have light rails and you want the light rail, the door to hang down, that is chosen there. Line board for your adjustable shelf holes. How many holes do you want per adjustable shelf? And what spacing do you want? Cabinet materials. Do you paint, stain, glaze any of your cabinet components? This is where that is chosen. Or if you run strictly melamines and TFLs, you're none for finish. Cabinet box material, and these are all preset by the manufacturer so that the customer ordering only sees what the manufacturer is willing and able to produce. Cabinet box edge band. Cabinet back. Do you produce with a 1/4 inch back with nailers, a solid 3/4 inch back, or no back at all for some of those closets? Do you produce with a finished or applied end? If so, what material do you use? Your base doors. Do you build your own doors? Are they hardwood? Are they thermofoil? Are they just slabs? That can all be chosen. The materials, are they buy out? Does the manufacturer actually buy it out or do they produce it? If they produce it, what materials are those doors made out of? And then the customer has the ability to choose their panel detail, inside edge detail, outside edge detail, and whether or not they have mitered molding. Same with the drawer front type. The upper door type, and the tall door type. And if the manufacturer builds with an applied door, those obviously are available as well. Hardware. Do you sell the cabinet boxes with the drawer slides and hinges? Or does the customer just want to buy a box only line and supply all that themselves? Hinges. What type of hinges do you provide that the customer can order? Door pulls and drawer pulls. These are for selling and shipping only. The cabinet vision design of where those are located has not been engineered yet. Adjustable shelf pins. What kind of pins do you want to sell? Do you sell spoons, locking clips, dowel pins? And what diameter are those? 5mm holes, 3mm holes, 1/4 inch. Reveals. This allows your customer to choose how big of the reveals are between the door and the edge of the cabinet. And then finally, set standard for base height, base depth, upper height, upper depth, tall height, and tall depth. And then once they're all said and done, you could either get it flat packed, shipped, or assembled. So that's all the time that we have today. But stay tuned for our next video where we dive deep into the base and vanity library. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss all of the exciting things coming in 2021.